Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we'll be making this super cute and easy Santa Claus card for coming Christmas. So let's begin. And if you are first time in my channel, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. So to start with, we'll take this white color paper and we'll cut it in the shape of oval. That'll be the beard of Santa. We'll take another craft paper of pink color and we'll again cut it in the shape of oval and we'll make the face of Santa. For the eyes, I'm taking this stencil. This is a circular stencil. If you don't have this, you can simply make a circle. Basically, we have to make the eyes and nose. Now, once you've cut everything, start assembling them all together. And take a white paper and we'll make the mustaches of Santa. Now once our Santa Claus face is completed, we will take a felt paper, something like this. They are very easily available in any stationery shop. So we'll take this and we'll make a cap of Santa. Now take a card and stick them all together. I'm sticking them with hot glue gun. If you don't have hot glue gun, you can take any other glue you have. For all the supplies, I'll put the link in the description box so that you can check and buy the stuff I'm using here. And if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. And a beautiful Santa card is ready. As you've seen, it's so easy and so simple to make. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up to subscribe to our channel. And if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye-bye.